how do you handle being a dad and running a business and stuff? And
One, this is my job. Two,
what is it like being a 5-year-old?
pretty awesome and pretty good. Three.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and this is
Ella.
And this is my channel, Mo Nation. I've gotten this question pretty often where people is like, Mo, how do you handle being a dad and running a business and stuff? And so I will say it's Ella.
No.
It isn't easy. What I do is I include Ella in on some of my daily tasks whenever I'm home. Even sometimes when I have to go and do consultations, Ella comes with me. So that's what this video is gonna be. Basically, just giving y'all a behind the scenes of me as a dad. So Ella's gonna actually help me. I got a couple of things that I have to do for today. We have an order that we gotta pack. It's gonna be 3 large drying towels. And then me and Ella just gonna be doing some stuff today. Anything you wanna say, Ella?
What?
Anything you wanna say?
Nope.
Nope, you ready?
Yeah.
And so while I'm gonna clean this, you wanna get the towel?
Yeah.
The 3 towels? It's gonna be 3 big towels.
Wait, did I just clean it with this?
Yeah. You can just clean it. Good job. Well, let me see, and then you can go.
No.
Go grab the big towels. 3 big towels.
Where? Right here?
Yeah, you get the big ones, okay?
These?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good
These
towel.
ones?
Yep.
Say, how much we get?
3.
3? 1, 2, 3. I got 3.
Good job.
Okay.
So whenever I ship the orders out, always take them out and do a double check.
I want to take it out.
All right, you take that one out.
That one? No,
Yeah.
I'm
You
going.
take this one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hold this.
Yeah. Oh, well, this is giant.
Just kind of shake them out one last time.
Now it
that
says.
We're gonna check that one.
I'm.
Shake it out. Shake it out. You ready?
Yep. Let's put it back in, and I'm gonna do this.
Yep. Yep. You got it. What you think about this towel?
Pretty awesome. Put it in here.
Open it up for me.
It's going. It's just pushing. Okay.
Also, okay, you're gonna put a towel here and a thank you. Okay. Thanks.
Did I put 1 and 2?
2. Yep.
It keeps on going in for me.
Well, look, this is what you do, okay? Put it down, you press on it, and then you do it, okay? Like that. See how easy that was?
Oh, it was broken.
It's okay, keep going. It's okay. And you push it. All right. Boom.
Let me check. I'm gonna check.
No, not there.
Oh,
I think it's this one.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. It's pretty warm in here, is it?
It's pretty cool.
It looks like I'm gonna be dressed up like this. Yeah.
All right. We gotta put them all in the bag. I don't think these are gonna fit. We need bigger. Nope. We have to do a box.
That is bad.
Press. Thank you, madam. Good job. We should give them something for free.
We should give one of the boxes. Make sure you need
We'll throw
them.
in a free box. Right
Wait,
there.
I want to put this
You want
in.
to put it in? All right.
Yeah.
That's from Ella.
These
Yeah.
towels right here?
Yeah.
What about this one too?
Put the other towel on top.
The other towel
Yep.
on top. This is my job.
This is your job.
Yeah. This is my job to do.
How'd that look?
That looks cool.
Oh, we got that packed up and ready to go.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was our first task for today, was getting this packed up and ready to go. I only had one order, so me and Ella, we're gonna go drop this off, grab some ice cream, and get on to our next task. We're gonna be recycling some detailing stuff.
Yep.
You have anything to say?
Yep.
What do you gotta say?
I like ice cream.
So after we finish our refreshments,
Here you go. Here's your ice cream.
after we finish our refreshments,
Yeah.
we're gonna recycle these. We're gonna clean these out. We'll put some soil in it and we're gonna plant the seeds.
And we're having a summer day.
Yep. And so instead of throwing away these 5-gallon jugs, which I normally get a good bit of them over time, we're just gonna recycle them.
Yeah.
Use them to plant stuff and for foot resting. Some good shade right here, huh?
Thank you, tree. This is a picnic.
So Ella, tell us, what is it like being a 5-year-old?
Pretty awesome and pretty good.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Paint and even go shopping and relaxing in the shade.
All right, y'all. Don't judge my backyard. That looks like a mess. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So I cut the top off of these. So what we're gonna do is rinse them out, get all that chemical out of there. Once we rinse them out, we'll put some holes in them so the water can drain.
I know it.
What'd you think, Ella?
Awesome. It's gonna be awesome.
You're gonna put 4. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
4.
Let me see if you can do it. You think you can do it?
I don't know. It's pretty heavy. Okay. It's not
Go
going
ahead.
in. Oh.
1. Pull.
2.
Good job.
Okay, 4.
4.
Is it
Yeah,
right here?
right there.
You don't need help.
Go ahead. Press it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it. Is it heavy? All right. We're gonna do 5. Okay, 1 in the middle. 1 right there, and then 1 in the middle. All right. Push. Good job. And then 1 in the middle.
Okay.
All right. You're gonna do that the same thing to this one. Okay.
Okay. Can I grab some and put it in there?
Yeah. All right. Help me with this one. Let me see how strong you is. Oh, good job. All right.
Okay, we'll hold it.
Sure. All right. All right, put a little bit in this. A little bit of this. Maybe a little bit too much.
First we're planning
We got broccoli
and
you got
watermelon.
watermelon.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
we're
What you
doing-
want to plant?
I want to plant this one first, then that one.
Okay, let me
Both
see
of
that.
them.
Let me read it.
Okay.
Okay. You see the seeds?
They're little.
They're little itty bitty seeds.
Oh yeah.
So you're gonna take some. I'm gonna pour some, and you do this. Let me show you what you do. You do like this.
I know.
Take some, and you put it in there.
Oh, and then we me cover it up.
Cover it up. Okay?
Okay.
One hand. Do like this. Oh, that's a
That's
lot. Make sure you sprinkle those out in different places. Okay?
Yeah.
Right there. All right. And do the other ones.
Wait, I still have more. Okay. Ah, no! I got one!
It's right here. I got it. I'm gonna put it in there.
Okay, let's put this one and this one. One. We should put one place, okay?
Okay.
Make sure both of them can grow and one at a time.
What you think?
Pretty good. Bye, get messy. Bye. See you in the next one.
Peace.
Beep. The planter. Today I put some water in here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some water in there.
Oh my God. Over here. Pour some over here.
I did.
And pour a little bit more in here. These are growing a lot. Good job.